Vinegar is not only for your kitchen. This ancient liquid is packed with powerful benefits that can transform your body, your skin, and even your home. In today's video, we're revealing 20 genius vinegar tips and tricks that will completely change how you use it every day. Stick around till the end. Number 20 is something most people don't know. Number 1. Morning Detox Elixir. Start your day with a metabolism boost. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, warm water, lemon, and honey. It helps flush out toxins and wakes up your system naturally. 2. Natural dandruff treatment. Massage diluted vinegar into your scalp. Leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse. It fights dandruff and keeps your scalp balanced. 3. Sore throat soother. Mix vinegar with warm salt water and gargle. It kills bacteria and eases that burning throat pain fast. 4. Chemical-free skin toner. Use 1 part vinegar to 2 parts water. Dab it gently on your face to tighten pores and clear acne. It's your skin's new best friend. 5. Natural deodorant. Dab a bit of apple cider vinegar under your arms. It neutralizes odor naturally, no harsh chemicals needed. 6. Blood sugar balancer. Drinking diluted vinegar before meals can help keep blood sugar steady. A small step, big difference. 7. Brain fog fighter. Feeling sluggish? Vinegar's enzymes and potassium can help you stay sharp and focused. 8. Weight loss booster. Studies show vinegar helps suppress appetite and burn fat. Add it to your daily routine. Your metabolism will thank you. 9. Teeth whitener with caution. Rinse with diluted vinegar to remove stains. Just don't overdo it. Protect that enamel. 10. Natural detox bath. Add 2 cups of vinegar to your warm bath. It helps soothe your skin and relax sore muscles. 11. Fruit and veggie cleaner. Mix vinegar and water. Soak your fruits and veggies for 10 minutes. It removes dirt, bacteria, and pesticides naturally. 12. Non-toxic surface cleaner. Vinegar and water make the perfect all-purpose cleaner. Use it on countertops, glass, and kitchen sinks. 13. Odor neutralizer. Got strong smells at home? Leave a bowl of vinegar overnight. It absorbs odors fast. 14. Natural fabric softener. Pour half a cup of vinegar into your washing machine's rinse cycle. Your clothes will come out softer and fresher. 15. Bug and ant repellent. Spray vinegar near windows and doors. Ants and insects hate the smell. 16. Foot odor and fungus fix. Soak your feet in warm water with vinegar. It helps fight odor, itch, and fungus naturally. 17. Sunburn soother. Apply diluted vinegar with a cotton pad. It cools the burn, reduces redness, and helps with healing. 18. Bloating and gas relief. Take a spoonful of vinegar and water before meals. It helps your body digest better and reduces bloating. 19. Healthy salad dressing. Make your own. Mix vinegar, olive oil, mustard, and herbs for a zesty, healthy dressing. 20. Gut health hero. Apple cider vinegar is like the mother that supports gut health and digestion. A daily shot can keep your system balanced and happy. So, which vinegar trick surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wellness and I, and turn on the bell icon for more natural wellness tips that truly work. Remember, small daily habits can make the biggest difference in your health. See you in the next one.